Hi folks, my name is Allie D'Andrea. Today I'm going to show you the proper way to hold a fishing rod. Today I'm demonstrating on a spinning rod and reel combo. First thing you want to do is make sure that the reel is pointed towards the ground. This is one of the most common mistakes with a spinning reel. You'll see folks with the reel pointed up. That is a no-no. You always want the reel pointed towards the ground, as well as the eyelets of the rod pointed towards the ground. You want to take your dominant hand, and depending on what's most comfortable for you, you'll split either your middle finger and your ring finger and put the arm of the reel in between. Or what I personally like to do is split my ring finger and my pinky finger between the arm of the reel. I like this position best because it puts my index finger in a good position to manipulate the line. Now with your opposite hand, you want to put it on the butt of the rod. This is going to give you better leverage for power and accuracy with your casting. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Take Me Fishing YouTube channel. And for more helpful fishing tips, visit TakeMeFishing.org.